What is up, guys? This is Darren and Josh. Thank you for joining the 3-day Zonguru software training.
You'll be a Zonguru software expert after this training. That's the plan.
What are we looking for here? Why would somebody choose my product over the competition? Being a Zonguru customer, you have access to the very best keyword tools on the marketplace. Day one is going to be focused on basically how do you do effective product research?
How can you match your product up with the other items that are in their house?
I think design and connecting with a particular persona is going to be critical. The data can lead you down the right path. You know, every product category is different. All the cost of goods for various products on Amazon is different. You know, you have to go a little bit deeper. How can you visually differentiate when we're looking for a niche within a niche, right?
Use the niche finder to generate ideas.
Using the niche reader to validate that idea. Between the two of us, we have a lot of breadth of knowledge between Amazon, products, business. Day two is all about picking the right supplier and digging deep into the research checklist. Some sellers, even today, are paying VAs to go through reviews of competitors on Amazon and literally manually read reviews. This tool allows you to do it incredibly easy. We're gonna build on this product, we're gonna build on this niche to find the products that don't even exist on Amazon yet.
Who's your customer? I'm trying to sell this product to that customer, so every decision I make needs to be made through that customer's eyes. You may think, okay, we've got heaps of people watching this webinar, but the reality is that not a lot of people will take that action. So if you're serious about a product like this, there's a huge opportunity here.
Day three, which is all about building a storefront that converts.
Think about what your customer wants and create a unique mission statement. You can see here that your customer isn't going to smell bullshit.
Getting traffic is just basically figuring out what the keywords are. Make sure that your photos are professionally done. This is where people look first.
Don't overthink it. Have some fun. There's plenty of options out there. That's your customer there telling you exactly what they want in a product. So listen to them.